climate change and its effects on human health. Firstly, what is climate change? According to NASA, climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or season. Is climate change happening? In short, yes. Earth's average temperature has risen more than 1.5 degrees Celsius in the past century, and it will continue to rise. This rising temperature has resulted in changes in weather, like floods, droughts, intense rain, and severe heat waves. Additionally, the ocean is warming, which has caused sea levels to rise 8 inches within the last century. How does Earth cool itself naturally, and how does climate change affect this? When energy from the sun comes into the atmosphere, the Earth warms up. As energy is released back to space, the Earth cools. Greenhouse gases hinder this process. Greenhouse gases are gases which absorb the energy that should be re-radiated back into space, thereby not allowing heat to escape and trapping it in Earth's atmosphere. A majority of these greenhouse gases are a direct result of human action. Things like driving and agricultural practices contribute to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. When you drive, you burn gasoline, which is a fossil fuel. Fossil fuels, when combusted, become greenhouse gases. Animal agriculture, especially cows, produces a large amount of greenhouse gases. When cows poop, they release methane into the atmosphere. Because many humans in the world depend on meat and dairy, there are a lot of cows and therefore a lot of methane. When all of these gases are released into the atmosphere, they act as a type of blanket, which prevents energy from escaping into space as it should. As a result, the Earth cannot properly cool itself and the temperature rises. So how does climate change affect humans, and why should we care? Warmer average temperatures lead to hotter days and frequent heat waves. In turn, heat-related deaths in the United States have increased. It is possible that every year from here on out, warmer temperatures from greenhouse gases will produce tens of thousands of more heat-related deaths. Heat waves are particularly dangerous for vulnerable groups like young children and the elderly. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere also worsen air quality. Poor air quality can lead to asthma, strokes, and other respiratory and cardiovascular health issues. Hotter climate also impacts our water, which can make the food we eat more dangerous. Higher water temperatures and pollution mean that waterborne bacteria and harmful algal toxins are more present in the water and therefore in the seafood we consume. In addition, runoff and flooding contaminates bodies of water, which are used for recreational purposes, shellfish harvesting, and drinking water. Health impacts may include damage to the body's nervous system, respiratory system, and it can also cause liver and kidney damage. The future effects of climate change depend on us. We are the only ones that can guarantee a healthy future. Riding a bike, walking, taking public transit, or curbing the amount of animal products you consume are all great ways to make a difference in the years to come.